Hello, my name is Michael, and today I want to talk about how to start your affiliate marketing business. This video is specifically for beginners, so if you are an advanced marketer, this is most likely not for you. This video will provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to get your affiliate marketing business started. So without any further ado, let's go ahead. So as the first thing you want to do is select an industry you want to work within. I believe that the best industries currently are e-commerce, such as Amazon, finance, trading and investing, promoting cryptocurrencies and forex, for instance. This is what I do: promote cryptocurrency and forex brokers that operate on the financial market. And if you want to see a video I've done about the best forex affiliate programs, you can check out this video up top. Then there is casino and adult. All of these industries have very good affiliate programs and they offer high commissions or high revenue share programs. So you can make a ton of money if done well. As a second thing you want to do is think about ways on how you want to promote your affiliate links. There are basically two main ways. You can do that without an investment or with an investment. I believe the better one or might be the combination of both. The first thing here is basically create a website. You can do every step that is on this list also without a website, but with one it's much easier. And I will tell you why in a second. So if you create a website, you can use it to promote it on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, or on forums and communities, just Quora and Reddit. And when you are answering, for instance, Quora questions, you do not want to link directly to an affiliate company, because if you use an affiliate link, Quora moderators will see it right away and they are likely to delete your answers. So this is what I do. I find a question that I want to answer and I go ahead and answer it as best as I can, and then I place there a link to my own website. And visitors can see that if they are interested in this topic, here is a link where they can see more information about it. So they go ahead and click it, and then they see there my content along with companies I promote about forex and cryptos. So as mentioned, it's better to do this with a website than without one. You can find tons of guides on how to create a website with little to no cost. So you just go ahead and search on Google or on YouTube how to do that. The second option, or the combination with the first one, is with an investment. So you can use Google AdWords, Facebook or Twitter ads, or Microsoft ads. All these three main things about promoting with an investment are pretty good, but remember that there are some restrictions. So for instance, Google AdWords does not really like Forex or crypto links, so they are not likely to get published. So you need to think about basically platforms where you can promote your links. So once you have a way or how you are going to promote your affiliate links, you should find platforms or companies that provide something within your industry. So if you have an adult content, you want to promote condoms, or if you have casino, you want to promote casino websites where players can open an account and play. When you have a website about trading, you want to promote companies where people can trade. So, and how to find, so you need to find reliable and good companies that work in your field. You can do that using Google reviews, Trustpilot, or YouTube. There are many ways on how to basically scan a company and decide if they are legit and people are likely to register with them. should always look for companies that are regulated or have very good reputation among traders or basically folks. And if you do, people are more likely to like your website and share it with their friends. So once you do all of that, just go ahead to your affiliate partner, create an affiliate link and start promoting it. So this was it. This was my step-by-step guide for affiliate beginners. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you think I have missed it or I should cover in the next video, please leave a comment down in the below. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.